Hello? I'm here for a date.
What are you driving? What the frick, babe? What the hell? You're such a liar.
What do you think?
What the heck? How'd you get this?
I bought it with my own money.
I freaking knew it.
Would you like to go on our date now?
Yes.
When?
This thing is beautiful.
I know. Do you remember it?
Is it the same one?
Yes.
What?
What?
What happened to the guy?
He fell off the face of the earth and then he came back to life and I bought it.
I freaking had it. I had a slight idea that you're gonna come home in a new car. This is nuts. You're a freaking liar too.
Would you like to sit in it?
On the driver's side?
Sure.
I've never got to sit in this kind before. What the heck?
You like it?
Yeah, can I have it?
Sure. I'll trade you for...
The STI. You can take it.
Not a chance. I brought home your vacuum.
I see that. Oh,
Isn't this thing like mint condition?
I cannot believe you got it.
I know, I can't either.
When did you get it? Last night?
Yesterday. We went to Pullman yesterday. That's why I needed Jared.
What the heck? You actually got this, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Honey,
Yes.
it's not a GTR.
I know. It's better.
It is better. I even said you were gonna get a Supra. Didn't I? Didn't I say that?
Bobby knew I bought a car a while ago. And I told her it was an R33 GTR.
And
But she somehow assessed.
I could feel. I told Devin it was probably a Supra.
But you thought it was a Mark V. I remember.
I did.
You thought it was a newer one.
But babe, I was right. Is it so weird driving?
Very.
Do people look at you weird?
Yes. They wonder where I'm at.
I'm so happy for you.
Thanks.
Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
I'm confused. What did the guy say?
He was in like Afghanistan or some shit until August 15th. And on August 15th, I said, okay, I'm buying this fucking thing. And I wired him $1 for it.
This is nuts. I've never been in. Oh. I've never been in a car quite like this before.
Shall we?
This is probably the most expensive, like, car that you've bought.
Over 3 times any other car I've ever bought.
Wait, does YouTube know?
Fuck no. Not yet. They will today.
I can't wait to go on our date.
Let's go.
I look ugly for a date in a Supra.
No, you look cute.
Now I have to up my game.
When are you gonna buy a Supra?
Hey, we match.
Can you open the trunk? Can you open the trunk?
I don't know where it's at.
It's right where yours is. Hello. Here's your stupid vacuum. You've been buying condoms, huh? Trojan condoms. What are you buying condoms for?
That's not even mine.
Trojan and Trojan rib.
For real? It's probably your neighbor.
It's probably mine.
Where does it say that at? Was that in here?
No, it's on the floor outside. It's from me. I had to get condoms to put my pee-pee in my exhaust.
Baby, I'm obsessed with this thing.
Okay, let's go on our date. Come on.
Okay, I will. But I gotta go inside and grab my phone. I want to post this on my story.
You can.
This is fun.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 2 of owning the new Mark IV Supra. So I just came back to the house, went to the shop this morning, and then I had to come surprise Bobby with a new car. And she likes it.
I do.
How much do you like it?
A lot. This is like my favorite purchase of yours.
I would hope so.
Yeah. This is awesome. It's so weird. This is amazing.
This is nuts. I still can't believe it's mine. Like, I drove it yesterday and I'm like, the hell?
It's your dream come true.
Yes. Just one of many.
I'm so proud of you, honey.
Thanks, Bobby. We're gonna go on a date in our new car.
Can I drive? Do you want to? No.
I don't think I'm gonna let you.
Yeah, that's a lie.
Well,
you
not-
say that about every car you own.
Bobby.
And then you lend it to me. You're like, oh, you can take the...
Let me pull off the freaking $5,000 CCWs first. I don't want you to curb a wheel.
Baby, I haven't curbed a wheel in years.
I know, but this is different. It's right-hand drive. So, like, when you're driving down the road, it's freaking weird, trust me. You'll understand when you're sitting over there.
Okay.
Like, I feel like I'm riding on the curb the whole time. It's so weird. You know?
But that's how it is over here.
No, it's not. Because over there, you're on...
Oh, yeah.
You have the center line.
That's so weird.
So I'm, like, looking at the curb as a center line. That's how it feels.
Huh.
It's hella sus.
Let's see what it's all about.
Okay.
Okay.
That you used to make me.
Iced or hot?
Hot. Can I get it in a bigger cup though, in case he spills? Is that a possibility?
Bigger
like
cup.
a 20 and a 24 ounce cup.
Okay, he wants a 20 in a 24 ounce cup just so it doesn't spill. You're so needy.
You're the one who freaking makes me.
Yes, thank you.
Also, can we get a cup holder tray?
Maybe that won't work.
Why?
I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but it just won't work.
Bobby, we need a tray. There's no cup holders in this car. What the frick did you... Why'd you push that in? Thank you, bro! Bob, honey, you literally pushed that in, it flew out and landed on my carpet. Red hot. You psycho.
I didn't push it in.
Touch it.
No. I just took it out.
Okay, and then when you put it back in, you fucking pushed her.
I didn't know.
See, they geeked out.
They did geek out.
Imagine this thing with a two-step tune.
Let's do card.
Get a tray.
And Devin, or he keeps on asking for a tray. Can we get a tray, please? Because this car doesn't have cup holders.
With a stopper in my cup, please.
Thank you. Stopper, please. Yes.
She's quite accommodating.
Thank you.
If you spill those, oh boy. You don't understand how rare this interior is.
Oh, honey, I'm your interior detailer, so calm
Yeah,
down.
where are you gonna find the original graffiti floor mat?
You just put it in the washer.
No, you can't wash those. Are you freaking kidding?
You can just pressure wash them.
No.
Thank you.
Gracias, amigo.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Good seeing you too. Have a good one.
I thought you didn't know her.
I don't. I can't remember.
You might want to hold those in your lap with the tray. Where are we headed?
To wherever you want, honey bunny.
Hear those turbos spooling?
No.
She was not a fan.
Baby, not. If Jamie sat in this car, she would be like mortified.
What? She doesn't understand how rare it is.
That's what I'm saying. Is not a lot of people understand how rare these cars are.
Car girls are a rare breed. Imagine a two-step tune on this fucker.
Baby, I know you already said that.
Imagine going
Wow.
That old fella really appreciated my car.
Oh, good lord.
He did. He nodded at it.
Baby, you can't point everybody out. He did not appreciate
at my
your
car.
car. Where do you want to go?
I'm gonna need it like
95 is the year I was born. So maybe you should name this car Bobby. Because we're the same age. Think about it, okay? You can name it Bob.
nice butt crack. You fat
Butt
jerk.
crack, huh?
Butt crack Jones over there. Nobody wants to see your ass crack. Nice boob. Why is your boob so big?
We don't look at that kind of stuff in the girl world.
Needs the chest, motherfucker.
Who's parking right there?
Well, I can't ever look at my car. Can we just literally park right here?
Sure.
She's an antique, and we can sit in the grass right there. We're having a cars and coffee date. This is definitely not a parking spot.
It's okay.
If they cry, they cry.
Take your coffee, baby.
Sick date. Is this the only date you've ever wanted?
No.
So are you gonna give up your garage space for this car?
No.
We're gonna have to let it sit outside?
You're gonna have to give up your garage space.
I already did.
What do you mean?
I gave up my garage space for another car.
For one of your other cars. So,
You want me to park 3 in a row on my side?
baby,
It'll only be
you're
for...
trying to kick Gary out of the garage?
Yes.
Gary has some of the most expensive parts on it. Out of all the cars. You can at least, like, have the STI outside.
It's either you give up your garage space, or I park behind you, and every time you want to leave, you have to go move my car, pull your car out.
I think it's time for a bigger garage and space. We
I
need to
understand.
start looking for a different apartment to live in. Or house.
Different apartment.
House, I mean.
What a beautiful angel.
I really don't like that lip though.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I like carbon Kevlar, but not on this.
It
It's
doesn't
very-
match.
Yeah. It'll be okay. That'll be changed when I cut it up for a wide body.
What? You're lying. You wouldn't cut this thing up. There's no way.
Chill.
Yeah.
Gotta go, bro.
Got it. I'm getting kicked.
Why are you parking in the park? This is a park, man. The rangers will tow your shit, give you a ticket.
I can move it.
Yeah, it's gotta be moved right now.
I'm well aware. I'm doing it.
Where you parked at?
2 feet from the parking lot where there's no parking, so I parked right next to the parking lot. Fuck
Oh, are
me.
you by the like Running Man and shit?
This is some random dude.
Oh god.
Rider.com. Like, bro, you ain't no fucking park ranger to cry about it. Got kicked out by some random crybaby.
Really?
Some dude in a mattress truck got really upset that I was parked here.
What did he say?
You can't park there, it's a goddamn road.
He said the D word?
I think so. I'll have to look at the footage. So,
Let's hop in our new Supra.
you wanna drive?
No.
I like how the random mattress guy cries so much, but the dude that actually, like the park ranger, doesn't give a fuck. Some people, he's probably a Biden boy, let's be honest.
Baby. It's fine. We didn't like this park anyways.
We hate this park.
Is your coffee gone?
No?
Was it good?
Yes, but no, it's not gone. Any final thoughts on the new car?
I'm so excited for you. I can't stop saying that.
One day you can drive.
Tomorrow?
No. Maybe. Let me put insurance and license it first.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I love this car already. She just needs some love on the outside first.
A polish?
Polish. And I got some Adam's polishes. We could scrub the inside a little bit too with my new pumpkin collection.
Okay.
Baby, say something.
I'm still speechless on this car.
I can see that. I've been saying more than you.
We've owned her for 2 days, and it's just immaculate.
Babe, you're owning a Mark IV Supra.
Yes.
You need to say something a little bit more inspirational. Then I'm speechless.
If you work really hard and have a hot girlfriend, then one day you can own a Mark IV Supra too.
No.
Oh.
Did you believe this day would ever come?
No, I was talking to Jared about that yesterday. Like, imagine going back 5 years, you know, starting being a douchebag on YouTube. Hello, this is how you build headlights without blinking. And then now I own a Mark IV. Pretty nutty.
Without blinking, is that the goal?
That's what I used to do.
That's how you start off though, is not blinking during your YouTube videos.
Mhm.
That's how you get a Supra.
And then 5 years later, from here, in 5 years, I'm gonna own 20 Mark IV Supras.
We'll just own each JDM car.
Okay, deal. All right. Thanks, Bobby, for approving of my car. Homies, thank you for approving of my car.
Smile.
Goodbye.